Spoiled Carbon Monoxide, an Explosive Gas Detector by Kidde or Kide, or however you're supposed to pronounce it. I've had this in my living room where the wood stove is for the last several years, along with another carbon monoxide alarm. It seemed like everything was copacetic with it. It always read 0. This morning I was in the living room and it started chirping, but not the chirp that it would chirp if there was carbon monoxide detected. So I looked over at the unit and it said EER, or ERR I think on the screen, which I imagine is for error. So I unplugged it and I took the battery out to get it to stop chirping, and I put everything back in, see if it would reset itself, and now it just says 888 when you power it on. And that's it. That's all we get out of it now. Same thing with the AC power. We plug this in, we just end up with a bunch of 8s. Wonder if it would still, that's not responding. And that's not well, there's no gas in this house because we don't have gas here, so that's complete cap if it's saying there's a gas issue. Well, this is spoiled. So, let's see what the date is on this thing. I'm pretty sure this was purchased in 2022. That's when I moved in here. Yep, this was made on February 15, 2022. It's model number KN-C0EG-3. Or it could be CO, I don't know if it's CO or C0. Looks like a 0. So, assembled in the China. I've always wondered about this. You know, it's no secret that a lot of stuff is made in China and quality control is pretty much abandoned in an effort to make it cheaper. Are these the same way? It's always been a curiosity to me. And while I've never had one fail, actually that's not true. I actually have had another one fail. The house came with 2 CO2 detectors, and one of them did fail. It was, I think it was, I don't remember what the brand was, but it was a different model. It was a wall mount battery operated only one, and one of those failed too. So I don't know. It's not very reassuring. I have, I think, 3 different brands and models of detectors around the house, because I really don't trust the quality control. And unfortunately this is proving the point. This is unacceptable. These things, literally these are life or death matter if you have a carbon monoxide leak. And for these to not be made in America with top level quality control, to me, is outrageous.